Okay, so I bought this car from auction site, and there is no mention that it has mold. There is a lot of mold. There is water. There has been water because the lift is rusted. The water is going inside from these cracks from body panels. Here is mold. And more mold. I'm allergic for mold, so I have to use breather mask when I'm driving this car. I really like this car, but I don't know, I can't use it right now, so I'm gonna try to make some ozone with this generator, and maybe later I'm using this dehumidifier to remove all the moisture inside the car, and maybe with that ozone generator, so maybe that kill all the mold, and then I can clean it up and fix those seals. Okay, I have this kind of setup. There is battery charger connected. I disconnect the engine heater. Power comes here. I just measure that voltage that it's charging, because engine is off. I don't want to turn it on. The ozone generator is on the ceiling with that kind of stick. All the hatches and rubber mats are removed and the hatches are open. I think I just put this back down because the air can flow there still. That ozone is coming, it's heavier than air, so it's going down there. Oh, it stinks already. Now I'm gonna close all these hatches and doors. There is fan is blowing with air inside circle is on, and now I just leave it. I don't know how long. I have keys on the car, but when I press lock, what happens? Okay, it doesn't want to lock when it's on, but it's okay. I have to just watch out, so there is no one going inside the car now, because that's not healthy anymore. Okay, this is round 1. I don't know how many rounds I'm gonna make, but manual says that 20 minutes is enough, but I don't know. Very strong. That ozone is noising. I can smell it. It's very bad smell. So I think there is this generator is it's good. It's 7,000. I think it's 7,000 milligrams per some time or something. But we'll see. I think that DEFA charger is not enough, so I put another charger here. Voltage is still dropping, but we'll see if we can here. Okay, now it's charging. And voltage is it's maybe rising. But I just don't wanna drain this little battery. So there is now 2 chargers. This fan, I think it's taking lots of power. And that fan is running because there is, I think, air compressor or something. Motor is not running, but this fan running because air compressor is on, but it's not really on. But yeah, voltage is still going down, so I think I'm gonna remove that fan fuse. It's that. Maybe that helps. Okay, so that one is not for a fan. It's that. That one was for power steering. Now I remove that fan relay or fuse. I don't know which it is. But now that fan is not running anymore, and battery is now charging. The windows are in frost or something. I don't know why, because that air condition is not doing anything, I think. Okay, so the ozone generator has been on for 1 hour. I think this is enough for this night. I'm gonna remove this cork so it's turned off inside and let this charger to charge battery. I have to wait 2 hours before I can go inside the car and take the key and close it for this night. Now I'm looking how much current is draw when car is off. It's 0.0874, so it's 88 milliamperes, and this is only 40 ampere hours battery, so this is a little bit much. When I disconnect this cruise control, it draws only 20 milliamps. So I think this is connected wrong. This is all-time hot. It should be connected to ignition key. So it must be rewire that thing.